Ready to unleash your Capcut masterpiece onto YouTube and grab viewers' attention? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to exporting your Capcut video for YouTube success. First, tap the export button in the top right corner of your screen. Now, the magic happens. Choose your resolution wisely for crystal clear quality. Aim for 1080p or even 4000 if your footage allows. Frame rate effects smoothness 30 fps is standard, but 60 fps is excellent for action-packed content. Code rate helps determine your video quality. Higher code rate gives a better quality video, but also increases the file size. Hit export, and let Capcut work its magic. This may take a moment depending on your video's length. While it uploads, create an eye-catching custom thumbnail. It's the first thing viewers see. Don't forget captions. They make your video accessible and boost engagement. Add relevant tags to help viewers find your video, and write an engaging description. That's it. Now you're ready to upload high-quality videos, boost your view count, and become a YouTube pro.